Hi, it's Rowan from Monroe, and today I'm here at this beautiful 5-bedroom detached period home, conveniently located between Crossgates and Scholes, situated down a private road behind electric gates. Welcome to Eastview House. The centrepiece of this home is this wonderful open-plan kitchen living diner, which features a range cooker, wine cooler and perfectly blends contemporary and traditional finishes with direct access onto a Suntrap Terrace. Eastview House is perfect for both raising a family and to entertain, benefiting from 4 reception rooms on the ground floor, including a living room, dining room, garden room, snug cum office and packed with period features throughout. Upstairs, this property features 5 double bedrooms, a house bathroom with a 5-piece suite, shower room and separate WC. Externally, this property benefits from a large lawned garden to the front and this private terrace to the rear. To arrange your viewing of Eastview House, call Monroe.